Pipedrive CRM tutorial, how to use Pipedrive. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can use CRMs in the Pipedrive. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now Pipedrive is a pretty simple and pretty amazing tool to use when it comes to managing customer relations, and it's pretty simple to use. It is free as well, but there is a pricing plan which we'll get into at the end of the video. But for now, you can see I'm on the website and we can get started by clicking on the try it for free button. Now, when you click on this button, they're going to ask you to go ahead and start your 14-day free trial. So get started by adding up your email address, or you can continue with Google. Totally depends on you. And once you've done that, just simply go ahead and fill out this form, add in your job description, basically what, best describes your role, and then select what is your experience with sales tools. I haven't used any. What do you want to do first? Find new leads, manage relationships better, and then you can go ahead and set up your phone number over here and then click on next. After that, they're going to ask you a bunch of questions about your company as well. And then they're going to ask you for your company name, how big is your company industry, and then how many employees do you have within the Pipedrive, right? So just fill out this form and we should be good to go. And we'll just say 2 to 5 people. And over here, you can go ahead and add in your company name as well. So let's go ahead and do that and then click on create an account. And here we go. All right. So it's going to go ahead and add some finishing touches and we should be good to go. And there we go. Our account has now been created. We can see everything looks good. These are all sample data, by the way, so it's all good. Over here on the left hand side, you can see all of your main options. You've got your lead section, your deal section, projects, campaigns, sales activity, contacts, insight, and product and marketplace over here. If you click on this more button, you can see you have automations and other options as well. But yeah, overall, this is how it looks like. And this is going to be your dashboard, or basically this is going to be your deal section. If you click over here, it's going to take you over here. You can see this is like a little board section where you can see all of your deals that are currently available. You can see qualified, the contact made, the properties listed, or showing schedule, negotiation started, and under contract. So pretty simple, right? Pretty cool. And you can import data if you already have one by clicking on the import data button over here, but I'll just dismiss that for now. So here you can go ahead and add different deals. Let me just show you. So let's take this one, for example, the qualified one. If you open this up, you can see all the fields that are available over here, all the information. You can see we have activity, we've got certain notes, we've got meeting scheduler, the call option, mail, files, document, invoices. On the left hand side, we can see all the other details like how much money is to be made, which organization does it belong to, the contact labels and everything. And let me actually go ahead and click on this one. This one is a much more better example because it has a little bit more options to it and a little bit more detail in it as well. So here you can see this is basically the pipeline right here. You can see the qualified, contact made, property listed. We've got showed, scheduling, and negotiation, and then under contract. And if they go ahead and just cancel the overall deal, we can just simply go ahead and click on lost. If they accept and we've made the deal possible, we can go ahead and click on one. Here you will be able to see all the history, the person who is, in charge of this deal, basically who we're trying to contact. We've got all their details over here. And you can see over here, this is the activity. We have a scheduled call, which is going to be a negotiation call. And over here, since it's overdue because this is an older contact, an older deal, what you can do is over here, you can go ahead and schedule a meeting or a call, right? You can call them. You will see all the phone numbers, the method, the phone, and everything. And once you've made the call, and if they have, gone ahead and, made the call, then we can go ahead and click on this button over here and, pass it along or move it along the pipeline. And let's say this deal, or this one right here, this one we lost it. We could not come to an agreement. We just simply click on the lost button. The lost reason, negotiation was a failure or something else. I don't know, whatever you want to type in over here, it'll work. And then just simply click on mark as lost, and there you go. This deal was lost. It'll be available over here, but you can see over here, this is the pipeline itself. You can create a deal by clicking on this create button over here, and you can add the contact, the organization, the title, the value of the deal, and everything else. Pretty simple, and once you've added them, it'll appear over here. Another thing, you will also have this lead section over here, this lead box here. You can go ahead and make calls, make messages, you know, collect multiple leads and see where that goes. And through those leads, you can go ahead and make deals. You can see right here, if you have a new lead, it'll be available over here. You can add the lead over here. You've got your live chat box, web form, prospector over here. These are all simple ones, and these are the add-on versions, the web visitor, and these are the messaging app, or basically the integration. Currently this is in beta, but you can go ahead and connect your messenger by Pipedrive over here and, you know, make messaging easier. There's other options as well, like for example projects. Here you will be able to see all of the projects that are currently available. This is currently, you know, also an add-on. I believe you'd have to get a free trial for that, and most of them are add-ons as well. But yeah, overall here you will be able to create contacts right here. If you click on contacts, you will be able to create contacts of people, of organization, or contacts timeline. Here you will be able to see all of your insights in the insight section, see all the contacts, the deals, the calls, meetings, whatever the status is or whatever the schedule is for today. Everything will be available over here. And over here, as I said before, this is the marketplace. Here you will be able to see all of the ads and all of the other options that you would need, like for example Zapier or Microsoft Teams or Surf or Google Meets or Slack as well. Now, as I said before, this is a free software, but you can also, you know, go ahead and check out the pricing plan, which is available over here. Now, as I said before, this is a free software, but it's not. This is a paid software. It is not free. I'm just on a free trial. And if you want to check out the pricing plan, then here we are. You can see the essentials, the advanced, the professional, the power. So these are the 4 main plans. And then we have the enterprise. This one is for entire enterprises. So we have 5 plans in total. You can see how much they cost right here. Essential one is going to cost you around $14 per month. Advanced is going to be $24. And over here we have professional, which is going to be $49. Power is $59, and then we have enterprise, which is $79. Scroll down, you will be able to see all of them highlighted features, and if you want to see all the features, click on see all features, and then you can go ahead and compare all the features right here. So you can see most of them are available in the advanced ones, and it's pretty cool. But remember, these are all per seat per month. So if you have multiple people, let's say a team of 5, then you would have to get 5 of these plans. So it's going to be around $250 or $245. Yeah, around that. So keep that in mind. But yeah, everything else you can check out over here. It's pretty simple software, but yeah. So this is all the overview of Pipedrive that you guys need to know about and how you can use it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.